So it's 2025 and this is for my community. Okay, so today I just want to encourage each and every one of you watching this video. You might have written out a lot of things that you wanted to achieve 2024, and then we got to 31st December, you were discouraged, you were so sad, and you're even afraid to write out the goal for next year because you didn't even achieve that of 2024. I'm here to encourage you, okay? As much as you didn't achieve that goal 2024, you can still achieve that goal 2025. So stop being discouraged, stop being sad. I want you to write out that goal again, okay? Keep trying until you are done with it, okay? If you have written out that you want to get distinction last year and you did not, you were not able to do that, you can still do that 2025. During my school days, I know how many times I didn't get the goals I wrote down. Like after each semester, I see myself getting the results I don't want to get. But what I do every time is that I stand up again, I dust my body, and then I try again, because with God by my side, I can do all things. Even if I didn't do it immediately, I know that God is not going to leave me. At the end of everything, at the end of the session, I will see myself achieving that same thing. So the fact that you're not getting it now does not mean you'll not get it tomorrow. The only difference is when you give up. So please don't give up. Don't give up on that pursuit of excellent results. Don't give up on the pursuit of financial establishment. Don't give up on the pursuit of knowledge. Don't give up on the pursuit of God. I know some of us wanted to finish the Bible back to back, and at the end of the year we discovered that we are still in Deuteronomy, or we are still in Esther, or we are still in Psalms. Still push, okay? This is, tell yourself again, okay, I'm going to finish the Bible again and start. But then you have to write out how to do that, what will help you to achieve your goal. Don't just write out your goal and then leave it like that, okay? You have to write out strategies that will help you achieve your goal. So this is me telling you once again that the fact you did not achieve your goal 2024 does not mean you will not achieve your goal 2025. So let's go again. Fighting. Bye.